Look at this interior. This is out of a 2008 Chevy Trailblazer. This customer wanted all of his interior redone. So as you can see, the parts are pretty dirty, pretty nasty, and we are going to make them look amazing and new again. But not just new. The customer wants us to turn these into carbon fiber, a synthetic carbon fiber. So we're going to do that, all 16 of these pieces, I believe. And when we come back and you look at this again, you're going to see something totally different. So let's do our transformation and see the results. Take a look at this 2008 Chevy Trailblazer interior that has been completely redone. Obviously, as you can see from the before pictures and videos, it is just a striking difference from the way it was, but it just looks absolutely gorgeous. So what we've done here is we cleaned everything up, stripped everything down, and then refinished in this synthetic carbon fiber finish, which is going to really set this entire interior off. The customer wanted just basically every piece that they could have done in the synthetic carbon fiber. So let's take a look at the detail finish on all of it. This really looks good. So another satisfied customer here at Craft Customs, and reach out to us at craftcustoms.com or give us a call at 214-564-1170, and we look forward to working with you.